In this video, you will learn how to trade gold on Expert Option. Open the Expert Option platform, go to the Expert Option website and open the mobile app, then sign into your trading account. Fund your account, deposit funds using your preferred payment method. This could be a credit card, e-wallet, cryptocurrency or debit card to ensure you have trading capital available. Select gold as the asset. From the list of available assets on your trading dashboard, choose gold or XAU USD as a preferred trading instrument. Analyze the gold market. Use Expert Options built-in charts, indicators or timeframes to study the gold price movement and identify any trading opportunities you would like to take. Choose trade direction and investment up or down. Decide if you believe the gold price will go up or down, then enter the amount you'd like to invest in that one trade. Confirm and monitor your trade. Place your trade and monitor its performance in real time. Once it closes, you will see a profit or loss reflected in your account's balance. Now you know how to trade gold on Expert Option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.